Alright guys, this is the Red Cat Kaiju. Just finished putting a lot of it back together. Still got to wait for a steering or a screw kit. And I got to put the wheelie bar on the back, which I have up there. But got a little excited because, as you can see, the steering is off a little bit. But with this 25 kilogram cheapo servo that I bought, look at this. Tons of power. That should make fantastic steering. And then this is only 3S here. Just wanted to show you a little bit of something there. So I'm going to take it and put it on the ground here and just kind of roll it around real quick. Yeah, just because I'm excited. No, nothing else other than that. Just excitement. Look at them lights, man. Them lights are just killer. The sharpness of the turns is awesome. It's kind of hard to drive with one hand, and I'm not gonna get it. Anyway, you get the point. Pretty cool.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.